Fidget trading, let's go. What will you give me for this puppet?
Nothing. Actually, I'll give you this.
I will give you my
Okay.
monkey noodles.
Okay. Ellie, I'll accept.
And they are, yes.
Okay. Sorry, Anna.
Does anyone have an offer for my dimple?
Yeah. I'll give you
I will give you this puppet and this puppet.
And I'll give you this puppet and this marble match.
Both of you need. Berkeley, can you
Actually,
add something?
no.
Just one small thing,
Yeah.
like a mochi.
Oh, mochi? Okay. I'll give you this
Wait,
cute
what?
dog.
Why'd you take out the wife? Okay, whatever. Accept.
Yes, I was so
What?
over.
Okay,
Whatever.
someone want to offer from my two puppets?
Yeah. I'll do a popping tube, a wacky track, a poppet, a simple dimple, and a mini poppet.
I don't know.
Can I try these?
Yeah.
This is really good.
Pink sheep, where is he? Is your doggy about to poop?
Do you accept?
Okay.
Anna.
Or do I need to add?
Yeah.
I'll give you this film alive.
What?
Okay.
Accept.
No.
Oh, she's missing out on good stuff. Okay. What will you guys give me for all of my mochis?
I'll give you this really good circle poppet.
I will give you this,
Actually, never mind.
these, and one pop.
I'll give you half of a pop tube.
and a pop tube, and a half of a pop tube too.
This.
I'm too over for emojis.
I think you are. You should take out the pop tube. Where's the
You
poppet?
can take out the poppet, and if you give me the mochis, that's three,
Okay.
and a monkey noodle.
Monkey noodle.
Should I accept, guys?
I think
Okay, I'm
she's
gonna do
over.
an accept. Do you accept?
Oh, you're supposed to put your stuff in the middle? So you just put it on the board. Okay, so is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay, guys. I'm going to do a poppet pack.
She's happy.
Okay, guys, I'm doing a poppet pack.
Look at these thingies. A poppet pack?
Yep.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Circles?
Yep, circle poppet pack.
Okay.
Can I offer?
Of
Can I
course.
offer- can I offer-
my
okay.
precious little babies.
I will offer this.
I'll give you all my
big
monkey
poppets,
nudes.
and also
I'll give you half
this
of a
pudding.
pop tube, a mini pop tube, this, a popper,
And I pop it.
this like mini poppet, whatever, a dimple fidget spinner, and 4 mochis. Who?
What?